Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Relatch the side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.